My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we are creating and reviewing and giving our first impressions of the March Boxycharm Premium. Okay, now as always, we talk about what we didn't use in today's video. Okay, now let me just tell you, there's only one item we didn't use, and that's this right here. This is a hair care product, and this is called Prenup, and it's the Instant Spray Hair Mask. I usually don't use any other hair care products because y'all know my favorite box, and it's strictly hair, all things hair for natural hair wearers. Okay, so this is the only item that we didn't use. The items that you don't see me use are the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which I really did like. I enjoyed using it. It didn't cake up and roll up into a ball on my skin well, I tapped it in. I didn't necessarily rub it in. I tapped it in on my face, and I really did like this. This is the Hangover RX Coconut Water Probiotic based ingredient, and it is a skin reviver. Okay, so this is the item that you did not see me use. Now, I used everything else. So if you would like to see how this look was created, please keep watching. Stay tuned to the end to find out exactly what my first impressions were with the items that were enclosed in the March Premium box. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm, I will leave all the information down below. Okay, so keep watching. talk about it for a moment. Now, I did use the Hangover Primer, which is by Too Faced. I really did like this primer. I like the way it felt going on, and I just went in and it feels really nice. My foundation and the concealer doesn't feel really bad on my skin. It doesn't feel tight or anything like that. So I do like that. Okay, then the next items that we used were the Beauty Diva London eye brushes. Okay, now I'm just gonna be honest with you. In the beginning, like that's not the case anyway, but in the beginning I wasn't really too sure how this was gonna be. The brushes felt amazing, okay, but they just, to me, just to me, I can only give you my opinion, it kind of felt like they were cheaply made, you know, the plastic that was here, but they functioned very, very well. They blended out nicely, and I actually did use them all, even though I didn't use them all for just eyeshadow, but I did use them all. Then the other product that we used, which I really was not sure how I was going to feel about it, because first of all, if you remember when we opened this, the serum and primer, see, even now after we shook it up, so can you see the separation in the top? It still felt like, it still kind of looked like it was going to be, I don't know, I guess the best way for me to put it, it just looked really clumpy. And see, even now, this is nowhere near as bad as it was, because I shook it up very, very well. And this is the Illuminating Serum and Primer, but I used my finger to tap it on, and then I went over it with a translucent powder, okay, so that I could make sure it was nice and tacky. Now, y'all know I have issues with my eyes, especially this one, okay. It usually waters so bad that anytime I wear a glitter type of shadow or shimmery shadow, it's gone in no time unless I overly prime, okay. Prime and powder and all that kind of stuff. So what I will do is I'm going to post a picture either here or here of me without my glasses on, and I will have my eyes closed so that you can see exactly what it looks like. And I'm very, very impressed by that. I'm almost tempted to say I would use this primer on my eyes even when I'm not using this palette. Now, the palette is strictly shimmers. Strictly shimmers, okay? Strictly shimmer. See? All of them in here, just straight shimmer. Okay? So, but we did use two. Actually, we used three. We used Shadow Alchemy. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to put the brush box over the top so I can really show you. So we used this one here, which is Shadow Alchemy. We also used Gold Aura, and we used Sun Glitter. Okay, so I used those three shades to create this eye look. And also, I must admit, I really did like the way it turned out. And here it is. Maybe it's been on for about 20 minutes or so, and I really wanted to see if it would separate, and it has not, okay? It has not. So this, I'm actually very, very proud to wear. Okay, then the last item that we used was this lipstick, by Rowan. This one right here. I love this color. I definitely do. It looks almost like a nudie pink. And the shade is actually called Charlie. And it's a liquid lip balm. And I can feel that. I can feel that. You know how you get a very good lip balm and it makes your lips feel nice and moisturized? That's this. And I like it. I like it a lot. So these are the items that we did use out of the box. Now, the highlighter that I am wearing, I used this brush to put it on. At the brow bone, I used it. And also here on the top of the cheekbone, and it turned out really nice. I'm very, very impressed by how it looks. Okay, so I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we created this look using the items from our March Boxycharm Premium box. Now, even as of today, I still have no shipping information. I still don't have my Luxe Box. I'm feeling some kind of way, y'all. But nonetheless, that's not what this is about. So let me know down below what you think, okay? So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.